stop by DawnDares2Dream today to see what we're all about. Well, it's Halloween Eve. We're here at Kemah Boardwalk. You know, our annual ritual. So let's see what trouble we can get into today. It's a really nice day today. It's about 75 degrees, so it's not so humid and hot. So it's like a perfect day for me to put this makeup on, because you know in the summer I would not be able to put this makeup on. It would be sweating all down my face. But y'all gotta let me know what y'all think about makeup. You know, I did it myself. This is my first time doing something like this, so y'all gotta let me know what I just got a compliment on my makeup, and I'm so happy because y'all know I didn't know what I was doing. I was just messing around. I watched some YouTube videos, and this is what you see. This is the product. It looks nothing like any of the tutorials. Well, you know we have Grandma with us, and so I'm gonna walk her over. Say hey. Hey. I'm gonna walk her over to Landry's. You know, that's where we go. We sit at the bar, we drink, and then we eat. It is nice outside today, so I don't know if we're gonna sit outside to eat or not, but she's definitely gonna go in here, and I'm gonna start off, probably have a glass of wine or something, while Robert's waiting to get on a ride. Then he's gonna go get in another line, and then I'm gonna meet him. Okay, so what it comes to?
Another day at Landry's.
Another day at Landry's.
Kemah Boardwalk. I love it here.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Why you like it so much?
I know it's just so family oriented, seems like to me. And then no drama.
Okay, I'm headed out to check on Robert. I have some water for him just in case he needs some. And I'm actually gonna take the Boardwalk route because it's a little bit more scenic and we get to see the water and the boats. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And look at the train. We're gonna ride that later. Choo choo! Choo choo! Yeah, you see the boat? I just love Kemah Boardwalk.
Okay, it's like a
See the scenic route. Instead of walking through all the crowds of people, I like to take this, and then you get to see the water. And see the carnival rides on this side. Yasmin. I made it to the line, y'all. I made it to the line. So what we about to ride? What's it called?
The Aviator.
All right, y'all. Look. That's what we about to ride. He's on the ride, though.
Yeah.
I gotta get on the ride. He's on the ride.
Yeah, and I'm Spider-Man too.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
And his feet. You have to remember that it's all about having good fun, enjoying your life. As you enjoy your life, you raise your vibration, and and that way you can attract all those things that you have in your mind that you want and you desire. Trying to live your life and your dreams, right? You gotta enjoy the life you have right now. Going up. Woo! Whoa, we going up, y'all. We going up.
We're gonna get scared when we get high.
I know.
That line real long. The ticket line.
It is. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Woo! Here we go, y'all. Here we go. Y'all know I'm a little scared, right? A little scared. Maybe a lot of scared. Lord, help me, Jesus. Help me. They got me up in the sky, y'all. Oh, Lord, mercy. Y'all see this? Oh, my Lord. We up real high, y'all. We up real high. Oh, look at the down. Look how far down it is. We up real high.
It's cold up there too.
It's cold where?
Up in the air.
Yeah, it is. It looks like we're going down. We're going down. Woo! We are on the ground. my stomach. I don't do none of those things. So he's over there doing that, and I'm going back to the restaurant to meet my mama. And I actually met a new friend. I don't know if he wants to be on camera though. Look at him, no, look at him. Oh, you supposed to tuck it inside. Tuck it inside. Tuck it inside. Yeah, tell him. We didn't know that. Tuck it inside. Oh, now you look more like Spider-Man. But yeah, look. Turn around. Look at him. Look at him. See, y'all. He got that all them dreads back there, so it's hard. But yeah, okay, that's good.
That's cute.
Eat more chicken.
Ask her if she's chocolate milk.
She said eat more chicken. I want to see her sit down. Ooh, she fat. Hi, y'all. She sat down. She sat down, y'all. She sat down. Well, it's nighttime now, y'all. This is only the second ride that I'm getting on, so we're gonna get on the Hipno spin. Y'all know the Hipno spin, right?
Yeah.
We've been on Hipno spin plenty of times. So we're gonna get on it at night. I don't think I've ever been on it at night. Have I been on it at night? Hey dreamers, check out who I met tonight. Happy Halloween. They're a little shy, y'all. They're a little shy. Hello. Uh-oh. Oh, we not getting on, y'all. We gotta wait. But this is only the second ride. My $24 second ride. Get on the Hipno spin. Second ride of the night.
Yeah.
Second ride of the night. Okay, we are going to the train. We are going to the train. Going to the train. We are going to the train. I think this is going to be the last ride of the night. We going to the train. We are going to the train.
Now gonna watch it.
Yeah. Right?
Look behind you.
Yeah, we going to the train. We on the train, y'all. Choo choo. Hey dreamers, well, it's the end of the night and we're headed home, and I'm so glad that you decided to hang out with us tonight. And if you like this video, give me thumbs up. Also remember to leave me a comment down below if you have any questions or any comments that you may have. And if you would like, share this to your social media platform like Facebook. And remember that my face is going to be up here in a circle, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, remember to click on my face, select your gray bell, select all. That way you'll be subscribed to my channel, and you'll be alerted to all the new content that I place up here to YouTube. And I'm going to leave you my family fun playlist from 2021, you know, this whole pandemic year. And I'm going to leave you my mindset, belief, action playlist as well. So have a great day, dreamers.